What is up YouTube, Jack Severity here. This is the first video on my channel that I'm going to do something like this. This is a unboxing video. Here I have a G4 Cube that I brought from America. Apparently it works. I hope it does, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, getting to my pro unboxing video. Yeah, obviously I haven't seen this thing. I saw it on eBay and that was it, and come all the way from America. Apparently it works. It looks like they've packed it kind of pretty well, because it's a huge box for a kid. Wow. Yeah. They said they worked at a phone place. So Jesus. Alright, so this would be the keyboard. In true unboxing style, let's just do one thing at a time. Back that way. So yeah, the listing said that it was in fine working order. Don't know hard drive or gigabytes was the description. Got no idea what OS it's actually running. I asked did the DVD drive or CD drive work, because I don't know that, and they said yeah, apparently it all appears to work properly. Sorry for the noise, I'll try to maybe hold it a bit away, because the one thing I hate about watching unboxing videos is the sweet crackling of paper and boxes. Alright, there's the keyboard, nothing else in there. So yes, she's in pretty good nick. Bit of scunge. You always get scunge in Apple stuff, Apple keyboards. Look at that. Look at the scunge. Yeah, she's in good nick. Alright. Very cool, very cool. Didn't actually have one of these keyboards. I got one similar to it, but not that model. Alright. If I sound like I'm puffing, I am, because this box was heavy as hell. I believe how heavy it was. Yeah, so they must have did a removal. This has got a living room stuff in it apparently. So fix that crap up. Alright. Angle the camera up a little bit. So like I said, it's not a pro video. I've never done an unboxing before. I'm sure most of you guys would probably know if you come to watch a G4 Cube unboxing video, but G4 Cube was made from 2000 to 2001, and it was a bit of a failure. Too expensive really for what it was, but kind of one of the more sought after, you know, collecting items by Apple at the moment. At least by me. I was pretty keen to get one. So this is the power supply. Sorry about the noise, I'll move it away. Right, they have they've definitely packed it good. I'll give them that. I hope it's in good condition, but from the seller's point of view, they've done a good job. Wow, so that's the power supply. It's God, it's huge. I've got big hands. It's a big unit. Big unit. The original Apple power cable there. That's cool. It's funny how a lot of these are going like you can clean them, but they're going like all sticky over the years. But yeah, it's cool. I've got a few old ones, but not a grey one like that. It's cool. All right. Fingers crossed. So hard to tell what condition they're like in the photos on eBay as well. Like, I'm just hoping that it's all right. I might just lift it out. Trying to unwrap it without dropping it. There's the base. I'll just put my knife away so I don't scratch anything. Don't think I need it. Alright, box down. Cut it open. Yeah, they've done a... Couldn't have asked for any better with the shipping of it. They've done a very good job. It's actually heavier than what I thought it would be. Oh, yeah, wow. Yeah, the top was where I was worried about. I'll zoom in on that. So there's a bit of a, I don't think it's actually even a chip. It's just a mark. Yeah, no cracks. No cracks in the top at all. So that's, yeah. Woohoo. Happy with that. Oh, man, I'm sweating. This thing is actually heavy. Alright, I will move the camera over and we'll set her up. Here we go. Touch sensitive at the top. Fingers crossed. Yes. God, the hard drive's a bit loud. I hope you can hear that. So I'd say by the look at that, it's got a Tiger installed. I'd say, I don't know, I've never used 9.2, but I'd say Tiger. Hope the sound's coming through alright on the camera. Like I said, I've never used, never done anything like this before with this camera, so. So the cube itself, there's a few marks on it. It's not perfect, but I reckon a lot of that will come out. No cracks, that's what I'm happy with that. Definitely at least Tiger on it, I'd say. I'm pretty sure that's Tiger. Yeah, this Mac. 10.317. I'm pretty sure that's Tiger, isn't it? I'm no pro when it comes to different OSs, but... So what do we got? 450 megahertz PowerPC. Memory, I don't even know this. Okay, so that's... So 3 RAM slots, okay. So 512 stick and 264 megs. Oh, that's better. I thought I probably would have only had 512, so... Sandra Hintz computer, there you go. Okay, Streamline 4040. Should we look at the stuff? What do they got on here? Customer first. Alright, we won't look at that. Just in case, you don't know what's there. It's all Adobe Streamline, okay. Don't know what that software is. Hopefully you can read what's going on there. Yeah, there's not much in the OS 9 applications. And in applications, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, cool. Nothing really exciting. Yeah, not much there at all. Okay. Alright, well, what I might do, I don't know, apparently the CD drive works in it, DVD drive, what is it? We should find that out. Because I've got no idea. I didn't even look at the bottom of it. What's a DVD player there actually, so... what am I doing? So about this Mac. 1983 to 2004. So what graphics card it's got? I don't know this either. So it's the Rage 128 Pro. Alright, so it's the DVD-ROM. So as far as I'm aware, that means that this is one of the later ones. The first couple, I think, had CD-ROM drives, but they were CD burners. And then the last ones, which was kind of a bit of a, probably at the time it was a good thing, but they switched from CD drives to, or CD burners to a DVD drive. And as far as I'm aware, it doesn't actually burn stuff, it's only a DVD drive. So yeah, I suppose if you want to watch DVDs on it, yeah, that's good. What I'll do, actually, real quick, I'm just going to get a DVD. Just hold your horses. Alright. Try a DVD, see how we go. Hopefully I don't get copyright, but hang on, we'll turn it over to it. So, fingers crossed that the DVD drive works good. Not too bad. See what we get. DVD, nice. No sound obviously because no speakers, but copyright warning, blah blah blah. Making some weird noises, the DVD drive. Let's go to the tile, here we go. Let's go to the Mighty VL. Now, well, it's working. It sounds weird, but it's working anyway. Alright, well that'll do for that. How do you go to this program? Scope, menu, and I don't know, menu, not permitted, just, alright, what's up? Alright, so let's eject it, see how it sounds. Ready? Wow, they actually come up real nice. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright guys, well I think that'll do for this video. Sort of stumbled through it. Anyway guys, I'll yeah, I will definitely do some more. Oh yeah, the touch button. Holy shit, I just touched the top of it. It's just like patting it and it turned off. Like, oh shit, it's a touch button on the top. Probably killed it. She's alive.